As we approach from the north, we meet the north entrance, an open-air passage linked to the central court with the north entrance. It was paved and sharply inclined towards the north. The passage is narrow. Right and left were two raised colonnades known as bastions. Arthur Evans reconstructed the bastion on the west side. He also placed a copy of a restored relief fresco of a bull here. The wall painting may have formed part of the hunting scene. The passage ends in a large hall with 10 square pillars and 2 columns. The pillars and columns probably supported a large hall on the upper floor. Evans suggested that, due to its position on the seaward side, it was here the produce of seaborne trade would have been checked when it reached the palace. It was therefore named the Customs House. Next to the north entrance and the Customs House there is the North Lustral Basin. This room resembles a cistern. Its floor is lower than the surrounding area and is reached by steps. The Lustral Basin was surrounded by columns and was lined with slabs of gypsum, giving it a luxurious appearance. Areas with a similar arrangement have been found in other parts of the Palace of Knossos, as well as at other palaces and in important Minoan buildings of the period 1700 to 1450 BC. It is not known how these places were used. However, from their construction it seems that they would not have been filled with water, nor was there any drainage. Evans thought that they were used in purification ceremonies and therefore called these places lustral basins. Evans also believed that the palace was a sacred place. That is why, in his opinion, the lustral basin in question was used to purify visitors going into the palace via the neighboring north entrance. As we move to the west we meet an area that was called the Theatre by Evans because its shape reminded him of later theatres. It is a platform and rows of steps that form an angle. At the bottom of the steps is the end of a narrow raised road that divides a paved court. Evans believed that the court was used for ceremonies watched by the standing viewers. The raised paved road continues in the opposite direction. It passes underneath the modern road to Heraklion, connecting the palace with the Minoan town, which extended to the west and north. Evans named the road the Royal Road. Along the length of the road are townhouses with workshops on the ground floor and residential areas on the upper floor.